This is question number 1.1, class 11th physics, unit and dimension, and we are solving part B of the question. The surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeter is equal to in mm, right? So you have to give the answer in mm square, right? And the things are given in centimeter, right? So you can see that you have to do the unit conversion. That what for this chapter is, right? So the thing is, for surface area, it is very simple and not related with this chapter. We are going to focus more on the unit conversion. So this is the surface area of a solid cylinder, a1 plus a2 plus a3, that you can see here, and a1 plus 2a2. You can see the diagram also for reference. And the thing that you are going to get for formula of the surface area is 2 pi r h plus r, right? Now the important thing is, when you are writing the values, you have to write it with the units. That what going to make your calculation more accurate. So you have to write that value with units like this. I have written 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, and then you have to separate that quantity, that numerical quantity, and the units you have to write it separately, right? This way. And now the unit conversion, you have to write it this way: 1 centimeter. If you have to convert that 1 centimeter into mm, write it is as in the way of 1 centimeter, and then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, right? And you have to put that value in 1 centimeter. Now again doing the same thing, you have to solve this for 10 and 10 and mm separately, and for 10 square, and for mm square, and then numerical value numerical value write it different separately, and then the unit also you have to write it in a separate way, a square, and this is your particular answer. Write it this way, and you will going to see that you will going to always find the answer more accurate and clear, right?